Oh, you guys. Oh, trash. Hey, you guys. I'm back. You guys, I am back. It's your girl, Blushing Baby, and I am back for a very, very exciting video because your girl finally got her dream Birkin bag. I'm so excited to show you this. This bag has been my dream, my pinnacle of every bag I've wanted since I started my Hermès journey, and I am so grateful to my SA who offered me this amazing bag after almost 2 years of waiting, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it is today. And I have a pretty big box for me waiting to be unboxed. I was sick actually a couple weeks ago, so I have been delaying opening it until I could actually take the time and film this video for you guys. So why don't we go ahead and open it up together? Here we go, you guys. Get ready, and I hope you guys enjoy this special Blushing Baby Hermès quota bag unboxing. So inside this huge Hermès bag, I have a box. Perfect. So here it is. Let me hold it up next to my body. Here we have the receipt, which you guys don't need to see this. My dog is even curious too. Biscuit, don't lick mommy Chanel bag. Hold on, you guys. Can you guys guess what size in the comment this Birkin is? Just based on the box. If you guys know what size it is, 25, 30, 35, you guys are a true Hermès lover and maybe too knowledgeable. So I think we should open her up. Beautiful. I don't know how I was able to withstand not opening this box until now. Let's put that there. And now let's open. I'm literally as excited as you guys right now because we still have a bit more unboxing to do. Let's open the beautifully wrapped paper. And what do we have here? Let's open, open, open. You guys. And let's take a peek. Are you guys ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. She is just as beautiful as I remember at the boutique. Stunning, you guys. She is a 25 size Birkin with rose gold plated hardware. Look at how stunning. With Togo leather. That fresh leather smell too. She's just beautiful. And I'm such a pastel girly. And this bag is going to go with literally all my outfits. And I am just thrilled and over the moon to finally have this bag in my collection. She's just so absolutely adorable and perfect. Literally the perfect size for me. I personally don't carry that much with me, you know, when I'm on the go. This Craie color, it may look very similar to Nata. It's definitely not white, but it's actually an off-white kind of color. And it is described as a little bit more chalky and gray undertone, while Nata is a little bit more vanilla. And as you guys can see by my jewelry, I absolutely love rose gold, and having a bag that has rose gold plating rather than just gold plating like a lot of other brands do and like most Birkin bags are is so special and amazing. I'm just so in love, and I'm so grateful that I get to have the opportunity to be the owner of this bag. She's just like absolutely stunning. And now this is my second bag that I received in my local boutique. The first quota bag is my mauve Paul Birkin 30. If you guys didn't see that video, then definitely subscribe to the Blushing Baby YouTube channel. I do lots of luxury unboxings, beauty videos, and collection videos in general. So if you guys like me or my collection, if you want to know more about me, jewelry, bags, Hermès, then definitely you're gonna want to subscribe. But I'm just so absolutely in love. I'm gonna do more mod shots so you guys can see. Take detail of that beautiful hardware, and even the feet are rose gold plated as well. Let you guys see that. I'm so excited. And take off the stickers as well. This is a bag that is going to be with me for life. I absolutely love her. And just look at how elegant it looks, even off the wrist like that. So comfortable, easy to wear and carry, just fabulous. And I'm even looking at myself in the mirror across, full body, just absolutely stunning. Now, should we open her up a little bit more? I think we should. So let's open like that. Oh, beautiful. Take her little shingles off. Look at that, you guys. Oh, so cute. And we're gonna open her up. We'll take off this protection. Just like that. And open here, open here. I'm like so delicate and careful because I don't want to hurt her. She's precious. She's my baby Birkin. There we go, just like that. And open her up. Looks like she has some stuffing inside. And let's take this off. Hopefully you guys can see. I'll zoom in a little bit. And we are gonna take this felt protection off, just like that. Wow, stunning, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god, you guys, look. She's so gorgeous. And I don't know, maybe later I might buy some twillies to decorate her with, but like just like this, she's just absolutely stunning. I'm so in love with this bag. I honestly just feel like it was just meant for me to have, and I'm so grateful that it came when it did, right before my birthday and the holidays. Like, I don't know what more I can ask for. So beautiful. And now we can take a look inside. And this is what we have going on inside. So we have the lock, and inside we have this stuffing. So we will let her breathe a little bit. I think they stopped giving out, and you can see inside the zipper too. I think they stopped giving out the raincoats, I believe, as of this year. So they do not give those out anymore. I'm not sure what the reason is for that. If you guys know, definitely say it in the comments. But I can show you guys. I actually don't really know the proper way of putting on the clochette myself, but you guys can see. Look at this beautiful rose gold color. Let me see. Let me get out of the frame so you guys can. Look at how beautiful. It's just so... Craie with rose gold is just a match made in heaven, you guys. Absolutely love. And because I know you guys love comparisons and you love to see the collection and how they flow, so I will show you guys this Birkin 25 compared to my Paul 30, and also my Chai Birkin 25 I got in Paris as well. So you guys, I have my Birkins, my 3 Birkins sitting together right here. And does this or does this not remind you of Neapolitan ice cream? We have vanilla here, we have strawberry, and we have chocolate. So cute. So as you guys can see, here we have Chai Togo with yellow gold hardware. Also a beautiful and amazing combo. I love and treasure this bag as well. So stunning and gorgeous. All my Birkins are Retourne style. Eventually, I think it would be great to add a bag that is Cellier style as well, whether it be a Kelly or even a Birkin, because I think that would be a great add for my collection. But these are my bags, and this is the Craie with rose gold hardware. So which one do you guys like better? Do you prefer the Chai Birkin, or do you guys prefer the rose gold and Craie Birkin? I honestly love them both so much, but I think you guys know I've been pining after this one for so long, so I'm gonna have to go with this one as my favorite. But I love them both to pieces. And now I can compare with you guys my Mauve Paul Birkin in size 30. Definitely, it is a little bit harder sometimes to use for evening, but you definitely can. In the winter, where I'm from, in the Northeast, we wear like big coats, so you can definitely easily put this over your arm. Also a really gorgeous size. A little bit heavier with the Clemence leather, but I don't end up using a lot of the space in here. So it just kind of sits like that. And then here we have with the 25 size, both really gorgeous sizes, but definitely 25 is my favorite. I wouldn't mind adding another Birkin 30 in like a neutral color later on. I think Gris Tourterelle is very pretty. Gold, of course, classic is very pretty. A taupe. I think the fun colors especially pop on a 25 size. But if you're looking for longevity in life and in your collection, I think everybody needs a Birkin 30 as well. I'm like, I don't know if I'm ready to take off the stickers now, but when I do, I will definitely post a video of that. So make sure, if you guys aren't already, to definitely follow my Instagram, which is blushing_baby. And also my my luxury selling Instagram, where I have a lot of handbags and luxury items that I am selling. And that is Hannah_Luxe Closet on Instagram. So make sure you guys check that out as well. Of course, subscribe to me here on YouTube and leave a like and comment and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I definitely want to make more YouTube content, and it's honestly one of my favorite platforms. Like, I love watching more long form videos, and I think the YouTube community is so amazing, so I love making content here. Thank you so much for sharing my amazing Dream Birkin unboxing with me, my Craie Birkin with rose gold hardware 25. I literally couldn't believe it. Like, when my essay texted me and told me that he had something for me and come in when I had the time, I was in Arizona, and I was like, okay, I'll come this day. I had no idea it was going to be this bag. I literally could not believe it. Like, my brain didn't process it. I don't know if even now it fully processed it, but I'm so in love and so happy. And I hope you guys all get your dream bags on your wish list as well. And really, Hermès quality and everything is unmatched. And I do, you know, I love Chanel as well, and other brands have great bags as well that I feel comfortable using daily or for different occasions. But this Hermès is just the creme de la creme, and I'm so happy and grateful and in love with this bag. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched till the end, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you all so much, and I hope you join the community, and I will see you all really soon.